Hi guys, my name is Anupa and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to be talking about a lot of face serums. Let's get started. So the first product is Kiehl's Daily Revive Concentrate. This is one of those facial oils that I would highly recommend. I know this is all about the facial serums, but this is the only oil that I wanted to talk about in this video because this is really amazing. This is worth every rupee you spend. I have used this every single day for like almost 1 year right before my makeup. You can use this along with your makeup, like your foundation. You can mix 1 or 2 drops with your foundation to make it dewy, and if not, then you can just use it right before your makeup like a skin prep. And oh my god, the kind of glow this gives is insane. You will love it. You can use this even in the night or in the morning as a part of your daily skincare routine. I will highly recommend this to you guys. This is one of my top facial oils, so yeah, go for it. So this is the copper peptide from Amino. It is blue in color. And first of all, the color itself made me so interested to try this product. This is like anti-aging product and skin healing and firming and pore refining. But honestly, I don't know if what they claim actually performs or not because I use the tiny bottle and I think this is a very little amount to see the results. But what I genuinely liked, how my skin felt after using this. You can use this in the AM and PM, and I used it twice a day, and I this did not last me more than like 10 or 15 days, but I felt my skin was firm and it felt like it was also giving that good plump, and my skin felt very nice after using this. But I don't know if this gives you that result that they claim. I think you need to use it at least for a month or two to see the visible change. But I've seen a lot of beauty gurus talking about copper peptide serums and how good it is for the skin. Overall, I really like the brand and I would be interested in trying out their other products as well. So yeah, you never know. Let's see. Now this serum is from Dr. Su. This is XO Plum Party. It is basically hyaluronic acid, copper peptide, and exomes. Exome is something that's trending again. One of the ingredients that a lot of brands are incorporating even in clinics, like clinical treatments, and this works really well for anti-aging and hyperpigmentation and all of that. And this is something I really enjoyed using. This actually gives you that very hydrated and plump effect. And I majorly use this before my makeup as a prep. I definitely like it. This is on the verge of getting over, so maybe I'll buy this. I'm not 100% sure. Okay, the next product is from Skin Loud Skin, sorry. It's from Loud Skin, and this is their vitamin C serum plus booster. Honestly, this is a bomb product. Oh my god, I've seen a visible change in just using this much. It would have lasted me like 1 month or like 1.5 months, 45 days, but it changed color. And if your vitamin C changes color, then it has lost its efficacy and there's no point using this any further. But till the time I used it in the morning and I loaded myself with a lot of sunscreen. The packaging is also very interesting. This comes like a bottle. The serum comes separately and the booster vitamin C comes in a sachet, which you need to put it inside and mix it, and and it turns like a nice blend. Nice. Acne marks also reduced a lot. Next is from Garnier vitamin C serum. This is that one of the most raved vitamin C serums that are in the market, and honestly even I have used like bottles after bottles, and I don't know about the claims whether this will give you brighter skin and your acne marks will fade or not, but this does give instant glow and I love it. And just for that fact, I use this and I've used multiple. This has oxidized very sadly, so any vitamin C serum, if that oxidizes, it loses its efficacy and it is of no use. So I need to throw this, but I definitely would love to go and buy this, but maybe a smaller size. Okay, this is the last product for this video, and this has to be, I think, my favorite one, because this is, first of all, this is a retinol serum. It should be part of your night care routine, and this is from Dot and Key. Oh my god, this, first of all, the packaging is insane. It's so cute and so pretty. This is the 2.2% retinol complex face serum. It's the pomegranate youth, that's what it's called, and this came in PR, and honestly this is amazing. I feel that my skin has improved the quality of my skin. There are less acne marks, and my skin feels like it's awake and bright and pretty in the morning. Of course, it's a retinol serum. It's for beginners. If you have never used any serums before, retinol serum, then maybe start once or twice a week, then go ahead and use it every single night, and next morning you have to follow up with a sunscreen. You cannot skip that even if you are at home. And I would 100% go ahead and get another bottle of this. These are like product empties more than, the serums that I want to recommend. It's both. It's actually both. Oh my god. I'm back after so long that I also don't know what I'm saying. I feel like I'm blabbering, but it's a joy of getting back on YouTube, and this is the first video that I've made in years, and it feels amazing. Okay, without any further blabbering, I'm gonna end this video. And this is, I mean, oh god, I think I've forgotten how to even film YouTube videos. But yeah, I'm excited, and I want you guys to watch my videos, and stay tuned, subscribe. Yeah, I'll see you next time.